आप देखो मालवा कहाँ पे है, Malwa Plateau is this side, which is clearly visible with the help of the super map, and we are talking about this area. So with respect to Kathiawar Peninsula, the Gir Hills is further south to the Kathiawar Peninsula. So Mahi River अगर आप देखोगे it enters from here, and then you have two important dams on Mahi. One is this Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam and one is this Kadana Dam. तो Mahi Bajaj Sagar जो है it is in the Rajasthan and Kadana Dam is in the Gujarat. जब एक रिवर जो है वो लेयर बाय लेयर इरोजन करती है, so what is left? The left material is infertile. It is eroded material. So that land is not good for cultivation. वो cultivation के लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता है, इसीलिए उसको bad land topography बोलते हैं.
What are those X factor ingredients that you could put in an answer at various sections?
This is the X factor that you need in your answer.
One good source of current affairs. It can be Civil Daily.
You need to have that X factor in your answer.
With the help of X factor notes.
This is the best notes you can have.
I used to read their X factor notes.
The questions are very good and even the answers were very detailed and they were, I extracted a lot of content from them.
Waterfall region and river, ठीक है, यहाँ पे इन्होंने बात की है धुआंधार फॉल की और इन्होंने बात की नर्मदा रिवर की. तो two things are correct, but you see they are asking about which region? Malwa region. आप देखो मालवा कहाँ पे है? Malwa Plateau is this side, which is clearly visible with the help of the super map, and we are talking about this area. We are talking about this area right now. ठीक है, तो ये है इंपॉर्टेंस आपकी सुपर मैप की, which I am trying to highlight, and काफी समय गया है इसको बनाने में to compile each and everything. Alright guys, so यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, so it starts from here. You have our Narmada river, okay, and you have a Bargi Dam reservoir. Further आप आगे जाओगे, you have a Jabalpur, and further it enters via a Vindhyas range. Vindhyas range है, and it starts flowing parallelly to the Vindhyas range. ये वाला लोकेशन देख लो, ठीक है. तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स हैं यहाँ पे. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सी अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व which is Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve located here. All right. Now further you go this side, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे there are several left bank and the right bank tributaries of river Narmada. Although you don't have to go in much detail about the tributaries of Narmada, only the major tributaries you have to remember. But फिर भी मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक आइडिया दे देती हूँ, what which are the important. So river is coming from this side, so this becomes right and this becomes my left. So here you have Hiran, all right, you have Tendoni, all right, here you have Kolar is an important area, you have Sip, you have Kannad, and you have a Choral tributaries of Narmada, which only few you have to remember, not each and every tributaries you have to remember. So these becomes the right bank tributaries of the river Narmada. Now let's see the left bank tributary, and then we will see the important national parks and the important other locations which are falling in this area. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे ये एक important tributary है, that is a Baniyar. You have Halon, all right. Bargi Dam Reservoir यहाँ पे है, Bargi Dam Reservoir which I have already asked you to write. Bargi Dam Reservoir. Okay. Now further you go here, you have Chakkar, you have Dudhi National Park, you have Tawa. Important. This one is important. This tributary become important because on Tawa river you have a Tawa Dam. So that becomes important, which is an important tributary. यहाँ पे देखोगे you have a Tawa Dam. ठीक है. Further you go this side, you have a very important dam on the river Narmada, which UPSC has asked questions. बहुत बार UPSC ने सवाल पूछा है यहाँ से. So you have here a Indra Sagar Dam. तो अगर आप जब भी सवाल आता है that Indra Sagar Dam is located on which river, you have to it is clearly shown with the help of the super map that it is located on the Narmada river. और मैं आपको क्वेश्चन भी दिखाया है, मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही क्वेश्चन दिखाया that the UPSC has asked question from this dam as well. Okay. Now further you go ahead, you have the Omkareshwar Dam, and further this Narmada goes in the area, so that area we will see later. ठीक है, अभी मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखाती हूँ. All right. So now कान्हा नेशनल पार्क which was in news, अभी काफी न्यूज चल रहा था like past 5-6 months back, I remember there was a lot of news going here with respect to this Kanha National Park and with respect to this Panna National Park. So these two national parks are very famous in मध्य प्रदेश, जहां से कि बार बार सवाल आते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन भी चल रहा था. There was a project that was talking about interlinking of the rivers, है ना, कि हम कनेक्ट करेंगे इन सारे रिवर को, केन एंड पन्ना एंड ऑल दीज रिवर्स वी आर गोइंग टू इंटरलिंक. सो व्हाट विल बी द नेगेटिव, what will be the impact of the interlinking of these rivers? So that is why it was in news. Now उस interlinking में ये भी बात की गई थी because it is this river is crossing nearby an important national park or reserve and hence it will also impact the biodiversity. तो वो जो areas हैं ना आपके national parks और biodiversity biosphere reserve, that becomes very important. तो जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, this area, this is the Narmada area, right? And here you have a Kanha National Park, and here you have important tributaries, that is a Baner. All right? तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कान्हा नेशनल पार्क यहाँ है, and you see here Panna National Park is here. Okay? So Panna National Park is on which river, nearby which river? So here you can clearly see this is a Ken. And Ken के बारे में हमने already पढ़ा है, but still you can see it from here. So Ken has, again, it has several tributaries. It has Ken, it has Patne, it has Berma, it has Sonar, it has Siamri. Okay? And it finally becomes what? It becomes Ken only. But here you have an important national park, that is a Panna National Park. Question could be, Panna National Park is located nearby which river? So it is clearly shown it is a Ken river. Now again, यूनेस्को की साइट है जो कि बहुत ही फेमस है. जब आप कल्चर पढ़ते हो, व्हेन यू रीड अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेम्पल्स दैट आर इन इंडिया, सो दिस खजुराहो टेम्पल बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है? सो खजुराहो इज लोकेटेड नियर बाय विच रिवर? इट इज क्लियरली विजिबल, इट इज केन. आई विल शो यू द क्वेश्चन गाइज. मैं आपको बाद में फिर से क्वेश्चन एक बार रिविजिट करवाऊंगी सो दैट यू कैन रिलेट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग आस्क्ड. ऑलराइट, नाउ तो यहाँ पे आपने देख लिया खजुराहो, and here you have seen the Kanha National Park. You have some more important national parks which is located in this area, this region, which includes Sanjay Dhubri Tiger Reserve, or you have Sanjay National Park. ठीक है? यहाँ पे आप देखोगे Son जो है, Son is again originating from Amarkantak area, and here you have a Bansagar Reservoir, जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको already बताया हुआ है. So Bansagar Reservoir is located on which river? It is quite clear. You have an important area, a mineral area, Katni. ठीक है? Katni in Madhya Pradesh, an important area with respect to the mineral reserve of India. तो यहाँ पे आपको clearly यहाँ पे वो show हो रहा है. Now nearby this zone, you have some other national park which includes Bandhavgarh National Park, and you have here you see another important national park called as Bhugua Fossil National Park. So within this you can see here there is another important mineral reserve, that is a Rewa. So Katni, Rewa, Korba and all these locations have a very important significance with respect to economy of India, because ये सब सारे ही location आपके यहाँ पे located हैं. ठीक है? Now you further go to this side. All right? अब आप हम वहाँ पे further जाते हैं, but before going to this side, let's see some of the important national park here. So you have Satpura National Park. ठीक है? Satpura National Park कहाँ पे है? Again, it is quite visible. You have another important national park that is called as Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. All right? Now you see this area is of Mahadev Hills. ये जो आपको पूरा एरिया दिख रहा है, ये महादेव हिल्स का दिख रहा है. And with respect to river Narmada, you can easily see the location. ठीक है? अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे की तरफ ले जाते हैं. लेट्स सी हियर. तो हम कहाँ तक आ चुके थे? वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस एंटायर एरिया. नाउ यू सी हियर, सो यू हैव अ सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क, you have a Panchmari Biosphere Reserve, an important area, and then you have a Pench. ठीक है? तो पन्ना, कान्हा, पेंच, सतपुरा. Now you also know the exact east, west and north, south direction of these national parks which are continuously in news. आप लगातार सुनोगे, कहीं रिलोकेशन चल रहा है चीता का, कहीं पे इंटरलिंकिंग प्रोजेक्ट के कारण जो है कुछ इश्यूज क्रिएट हो गए. So these entire national parks and tiger reserves are in news. So you can expect a question, either they can ask with respect to a particular river, with respect to particular city, or with respect to their direction, north से south, east to west. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. देख लो यहाँ पे एक बार और, just look it one more time guys. Panna on which river? Ken river. ठीक है. Then you have here Kanha National Park on which river? A tributary of Narmada, or we can say Narmada. ठीक है. Pench river. तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे यहाँ से एक पेंच नदी भी है जिसके बारे में हम फर्दर पढ़ेंगे वंस वी डिस्कस द गोदावरी एरिया, गोदावरी रीजन. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपका पेंच हो गया. हियर यू हैव सतपुरा एंड द पंचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. सो यू गेट टू नो द लोकेशंस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू नॉर्थ, साउथ एंड ईस्ट वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन अगेन. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर. तो हमने एक इंपॉर्टेंट यूनेस्को की साइट देख ली. And as we know, there are so many important UNESCO sites are there in the Madhya Pradesh, and UNESCO sites say back to back UPSC has asked a lot of questions. So let's see the UNESCO sites with respect to the important rivers. All right. So we had done with Khajuraho. Khajuraho कहाँ था? हमने already देख लिया. Here you have a Ken river. Now यहाँ पे आप देखोगे. So this is Narmada. Again I am drawing. So this is your entire Narmada. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे. This is Narmada. ठीक है. And you have several tributaries of Narmada. Now यहाँ पे आप देखोगे you have a Bhimbetka rock shelter. Bhimbetka rock shelter, why it is famous? It is famous for that architecture, the rock architecture, that cave architecture of the people those who were living that time. तो उन्होंने कुछ केव पे जो written writings की है, लिखी है, जो drawings बनाई हैं, that is there in the Bhimbetka rock shelters. All right. तो ये कहाँ पे है? ये कौन से रिवर के पास है? You see here a Betwa. All right. Now the second important UNESCO site. So you have Bhimbetka rock shelter. You have Sanchi Stupa, which is very important place with respect to Buddhism. ठीक है. कौन से रिवर के पास है? कौन से रिवर पे है? It is a Betwa river. All right. And Betwa is a tributary of, let me know guys, Betwa is a tributary of which river? So you have Sanchi Stupa, you have Bhimbetka rock shelter, and nearby Bhimbetka rock shelter you have important wildlife sanctuary that is called as Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary. तो आपको यहाँ से clearly दिख रहा है. Now guys, again with respect to these national parks, Panna, with respect to Achanak Amarkantak, with respect to Kanha, with respect to Pench, with respect to Satpura, you can easily know where this Bhimbetka rock shelter cave is located, which is the demand of UPSC. UPSC आपसे यही पूछ रहा है. आप देखोगे कि कहाँ पे क्या located है. ठीक है. So you can now easily tell that Bhimbetka rock shelter is towards the west of the Panna National Park. It's quite clear, है ना? वो बिल्कुल clear आपको दिख रहा है that it is located towards the west of the Panna river. ठीक है. A very important location. Why important? Because UPSC ने सवाल पूछा है. All right. So, and one more thing. Here you will see an important city that is called as Bhopal. तो भोपाल कौन से रिवर के पास है? Again, this is very very clear to all of you. नर्मदा के पास कौन सा? नर्मदा के पास कौन सा सिटी था गाइस? अभी मैंने जस्ट बताया है. Just let me know if you are attentive, if you are watching with full attention, let me know near the Narmada which important city which I have discussed. Jabalpur. तो इसी तरह से आपको ध्यान रखना है. You have to keep on writing about the all the location. So here you will see, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे पार्वती रिवर है. ठीक है. ऊपर की तरफ हम जाएंगे बाद में. Here you have a Bhoj wetland and the another important location that is Khyoni Wildlife Sanctuary. All right. ठीक है. तो हम एक बार नीचे की तरफ आते हैं. Now let's see here guys. So I have talked about what you have first Vindhya. You have first Vindhya. Then you have this Narmada. In between you have Satpura, and finally south of Satpura you have Tapi. All right. And within this Tapi there is an important reservoir that is a Ukai reservoir, जिससे कि UPSC ने सवाल पूछा है. तो here you have this Ukai reservoir. ऑलराइट, ठीक है। अब आप यहाँ पे देखोगे अगेन देयर आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट लोकेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस तापी एज वेल। तो यहाँ पे आप जैसे देख सकते हो you have Sahanur, all right, you have this Murna, you have Moon. Again, these are not important, you don't have to memorize each and every tributary, is not important. जो important है मैं आपको बता दूंगी. You have to remember this Gomai, okay, you have to remember this Ukai reservoir, it's an important. You have to remember this Panzara because these are also mentioned in NCERT. Now here the focus will be सारे tributaries जो आपके UPSC I mean NCERT mention है, that you have to follow, and for that you have to read that book, all right. So this Gomai, this Panzara, Ukai, these are mentioned in the NCERTs and hence this becomes important, all right. और फर्दर हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे हम साउथ की तरफ बाद में जाएंगे. सो हियर फर्स्ट लेट्स कम टू दिस साइड. ठीक है, पहले एक बार नीचे देख लेते हैं, देन वी विल गो फर्दर अप. सो हियर आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट which river? I was talking about the Tapi river. ठीक है, and you have a Ukai reservoir here, and finally this enters in Arabian Sea. Now you can see clearly that on the bank of this Tapi river, which city is located from Gujarat. All right. So we have discussed about Jabalpur. We have discussed about this Surat, and one more important, Bhopal. Bhopal we have also discussed कि वो कौन से river के पास located है. I hope this becomes very clear to all of you. All right. तो यहाँ पे देखोगे Ukai dam है, Ukai reservoir है. It is the Ukai reservoir you can write. And here you have a Surat, ठीक है, and nearby you have a small river that is flowing, that is a Purna river nearby the Surat. All right, तो ये सूरत के पास एक और सी important river जो है वो flow करती है, that is Purna, and nearby there is a one important national park which is known as Vansada National Park, where in Gujarat. ठीक है, अब हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? We were talking about this Narmada. We were talking about Narmada, and we have seen the important national parks, important UNESCO sites. All right. Now यहाँ पे हमने दो डैम देखा, इंद्र सागर डैम, ठीक है, ओमकारेश्वर डैम. Finally you come here, you have a Sardar Sarovar Dam, a very very famous dam of India. ठीक है, सरदार सरोवर डैम जो है वो काफी ज्यादा फेमस डैम है. इसलिए भी फेमस है because from here a canal is built which enters to Gujarat and areas of Rajasthan to provide the water. तो ये नर्मदा कैनाल जो है which is the second longest canal I can say, after which the इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल of Rajasthan. तो इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल जो राजस्थान में बनाई गई थी वो that is the first longest canal, and this is the second longest canal which is diverting water of Narmada to the Gujarat area. ठीक है, तो ये clearly आपको यहाँ से दिखता है. ठीक है, all right. Now Narmada is here. There is an important place called Bharuch. It's located where? In the Gujarat. And finally this Narmada enters and opens in the Arabian Sea. So you can see guys clearly कि कितने सारे important locations with respect to Narmada and the Tapi we have already covered, we have already discussed. All right. Now अब हम जाते हैं, यहाँ पे एक देखोगे आप, there is an important location of Gujarat, an important Ramsar site which is known as Vadhavan wetland. Okay, so this is a Ramsar site. It is an important one which you have to remember. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे दो और important location है जो आप देख सकते हो. You have a Daman and you have a Silvassa. All right, so let's go further up now. Let's cover this Gujarat and then again we will come to this side. So let's see the important places of Gujarat and let's see कौन-कौन से rivers हैं जो enter करती हैं यहाँ पे. So we have already seen Tapi, we have seen Narmada. ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं और क्या लोकेशन है गुजरात की जो कि important है. So you have a Narmada canal here. All right. Now important UNESCO site in Gujarat. So you have Rani Ki Vav. See the location guys, very important. With respect to the canal, see the location. You have Dholavira Harappan civilization, a civilization that belongs to Indus Valley civilization. So here you have an important location called Dholavira. All right. यहाँ पे क्या है? You have this entire Kutch and Bhuj area. Here you have a little run of Kutch. So this Kutch is also known as white desert of India. ठीक है, वहां पे आप जाओगे बिल्कुल white आपको पूरा place दिखता है. And that place is also famous for, it is actually producing the largest salt in India. ठीक है, तो ये एरिया ही पूरा जो है salt cultivation में यूज किया जाता है. Why? Because nearby you have a sea water entering to this land area, and there they have this production unit जहाँ पे वो salt की production करते हैं. ठीक है, so you have salt pans that are there. With the help of that, they make salt. All right. It is important with respect to Gandhi ji salt movement, है ना? तो अब आप देखेंगे. So you have some another important wildlife sanctuaries as well as Ramsar sites in Gujarat. तो देखते जाओ यहाँ पे. You have this Thol Lake Wildlife Sanctuary. We have this Nal Sarovar Wildlife Sanctuary, and we have this Wild Ass Sanctuary in Gujarat. All right. You have Khizadiya. यहाँ पे देखोगे आपका जामनगर है. जामनगर is near the coastal area. All right. And here you have a Marine National Park. And with respect to ports, we have 3 important ports in Gujarat. You have a Kandala port, you have a Mundra port, जिसमें कि UPSC ने सवाल पूछा है मुंद्रा ports के बारे में. ठीक है, आपको मैं सवाल दिखाऊंगी again. And here you have Pipavav port. All right. So these 3 ports are there. And some another important, you see here, this is a Kathiawar Peninsula. You have a Rajkot here. You have Junagadh, important one. You have Porbandar. ठीक है, ये भी बहुत न्यूज में था जब नेशनल मूवमेंट चल रहा था. So you have Porbandar, you have Junagadh, all right, forts of Junagadh which are very famous. You have Kathiawar Peninsula, Rajkot यहाँ पे nearby है. You have Black Buck National Park, all right, and then you have Bhavnagar here. And south में further आप जाओगे तो there's an important location called Gir Hills or Giri Hills, and there you have a Gir National Park. तो ये जो Gir National Park है, and here you have a Gir Hills. So with respect to Kathiawar Peninsula, the Gir Hills is further south to the Kathiawar Peninsula. I hope this is clear to all of you. All right. अभी हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे आप देखोगे गांधीनगर is located here. ठीक है, गांधीनगर जो है वो यहाँ पे लोकेटेड है. ठीक है, और ये जो है दिस इज द साबरमती रिवर. एंड साबरमती रिवर के पास कौन सी सिटी है? अगेन द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिटी, वेरी फेमस वन, अहमदाबाद. ऑलराइट. सो अहमदाबाद की लोकेशन आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर है. ऑलराइट. नाउ सो यू हैव कवर्ड ऑलरेडी दिस नर्मदा रिवर, the dams that are located on the Narmada River. You have done the Tapi River, the dams that are located on the Tapi River. You have seen the important national parks. You have seen important hills, plateaus. You have seen ports. You have seen UNESCO sites. तो आपने सब कुछ ऑलमोस्ट देख लिया है. ठीक है, एक और चीज यहाँ पे बच जाती है जो कि मैं आपको बताऊंगी माही रिवर के बारे में. सो माही रिवर इज ऑल्सो फ्लोइंग थ्रू गुजरात, एंड यू हैव एन इंपॉर्टेंट सिटी located nearby, that is Vadodara. ठीक है, so Vadodara is there, and on this Mahi river you have an important dam that is called as Kadana Dam. ठीक है, so guys, I hope this is clear to all of you. What you have to do whenever I am talking about a particular river, और आप जब डैम्स लिख रहे हो, keep on writing at the same place. नर्मदा रिवर है, कौन कौन से डैम्स हैं, ठीक है, कौन से स्टेट में है. And then you have Mahi River, you have Tapi River. So which are the dams that are located? All right. So then it becomes easier for you to memorize. So Mahi River, अगर आप देखोगे, it enters from here, and then you have 2 important dams on Mahi. One is this Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam, and one is this Kadana Dam. All right. So Mahi Bajaj Sagar जो है, it is in the Rajasthan, and Kadana Dam is in the Gujarat. So these 2 dams are again becomes important. All right, so we have covered now Gujarat. Now let's go to Rajasthan and let's further go up, और हम देखते हैं ऊपर में नर्मदा एंड उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज एंड द इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन्स इन द मध्य प्रदेश. ऑल राइट, तो ये सब हमने ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया था. वी हैव कवर्ड ऑल दीज. ठीक है, नाउ वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट. चंबल रिवर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर in this area. Chambal is also famous for what? It is famous for the bad land topography. What is bad land topography? जब एक रिवर जो है वो लेयर बाय लेयर इरोजन करती है, ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? द लेफ्ट मटेरियल इज इनफर्टाइल, इट इज इरोडेड मटेरियल, सो दैट लैंड इज नॉट गुड फॉर कल्टीवेशन। वो कल्टीवेशन के लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता है, इसीलिए उसको बैड लैंड टोपोग्राफी बोलते हैं।